Alright guys, so I'm going back to the gaming channel. I'm gonna try something new. We're gonna play my favorite Wii game, Wii Party. And we are going to do maybe my personal favorite, weirdly. It's actually Me of a Kind. Also, so we're gonna do something that's shorter. We will be Ian Hawke, sure, yep, Ian Hawke. And we'll go Master Expert, because I ain't no pussy. We'll obviously wait for Matt. This is going to be pure unedited video, so sit back, enjoy the ride. Alright, we're playing with all... I can't say that. I'm going to win. I am absolutely great at Me of a Kind. And I've been playing Wii Party for years, so hopefully this will be a light breeze for me, as it always is. Starting out with two of my colours, so that's pretty good. Also two girls, so I can go to work. I think actually the Clear Me, I always find Clear Me is really good first turn. But the thing is, with one platinum, it might not work. This one isn't too hard to win though, so. You're saying that, I think it's really close. I think I just about edged it out. No, Jackie actually beat us. Alright, that's fine. They usually never take the Clear Me, so I don't know. I think I might not take the Clear Me actually, because it is kind of risky. Okay, I took purple up. It's reasonable enough. I also didn't realize what we lost a roll off. Should I take it? I'm going to take it. So it clears one of the rows, so we'll clear that one. Blue, yellow, purple, platinum. Well, that is technically progressing us by one character, so you know what, sure, it works. Music in this game is such a banger. Ooh, purple and a platinum. So if we come second, we got at least something we can take to where we want to go. If we get the platinum, then that's great. Well, oh yeah, platinum's probably fine. I don't believe this game takes 30 minutes on free sets. Either I'm just like too good, or that's just not true. I'm usually not great at this mini game though. I'm especially not today. I just decided out of nowhere that I should play Party for YouTube for a video on gaming channel, since I never really upload here, and I really love the Wii. So if you want to see some more Wii content, then actually, not if you want to see more Wii content. If you're a real person who's watching my channel, leave a comment saying that you are real and that you want to see more videos from me, and I will, maybe try and make some for you. If you don't want to see more videos from me, you can say that too. Like, you can just say you don't want to. All right, third, I think might get us the platinum or the purple. And if not with the mysteries, you can always get something alright. So, we'll see. Yep, they obviously took platinum. They have 222 sats, which is pretty good position to be in. Oh, they're going to go. And we are left with the mystery. Okay, not great. Be a swap May would be nice. No, but it does work. Well, they need a platinum, but they need a purple. Get rid of the platinum, get rid of the platinum. Someone also needs the yellow though. Like alright. I wouldn't need a blue. Alright. Need to make sure red doesn't win. Yeah, no, need to make sure red doesn't win. Whoever's first to me or red. Oh wait, no, because one of them take the. Okay. This one's actually not too bad to control, so I think I might be fine. I can also really easily throw at this one, so I need to definitely be careful. Okay, thank God. If I win, then sweet as I win. Well, the first round at least. Or set, as they're called. Oh, never mind. Okay, yellow or green, we'll get it then. Probably I'll get one of the mysteries. What do you mean, hang on, the off chance it could be or it could be a swap, which would be pretty nice. I actually think they have. No, they have two more to get. Alright, they'll either go purple or red. Probably. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Oh, I did. I can choose a mystery here. Oh, heck yeah! Oh yeah, we need to switch first, so I did. Just making sure I don't mess it up. Oh, should I take a girl? Oh wait, no, it's dead. I think that's all one gender too, so blue, yeah. Yep, sweet. 10 for the first round, and they are all one to go though. But like 2 to 10 points matters. On a set of 5, I usually get like 40, compared to there's a screenshot of me, like 40 to 5 in a game of this, and 5 set. I do genuinely love it though. It's probably one of the more simple ones. Alright, we have red and purple, so if worst comes to worst, I'll take those, but I will probably chance it for a mystery, since first round is always the better one to take that on. And if I get a wild me, trade me, or clear, it's pretty nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. I came last. I barely realised I was playing until we actually started. Well, then, yeah, as I said, worst comes to worst, I will probably get something I need, unless the mystery really screws me over. I'm sure I'll survive. Don't have any blues on our field, though. Which is a little unfortunate. It's fine. Would anyone take red here? It wouldn't really make sense. Oh, well, okay. I guess the CPU don't like this game. Yeah, that's what I would have liked. But it is okay. It is okay. Ian Hawk! It still works. Guess who's the #1 chip that's found in the whole wide world? Ian Hawk, that's who! Clear me isn't worth it. I always suck at this one. Especially against Master. Yeah, clear me isn't worth it. Risk it on the mysteries, but honestly, I'm probably gonna come last. Like, I see, like, Pooh Fisher go, like, 9 pictures of the dog on this one. I can barely get, like, 4. One more, please. I never got time up. One, 2. Yeah, no. Like, I can 8. Like, I can never get that many. We can still, I think we still might be alright. Actually, the CPU don't like taking the clear me's, so I can imagine they'll leave me with that. And I actually don't want blue. Nah, it's not worth clearing. Why would you give them the yellow? Oh wait, no, yeah, I get why. Green, green would help me too. Yeah, no, it ain't worth going with, so we'll pass that. Damn, that's a shame. That actually is. Oh, 2 greens. That's really nice. Because none of them can win next turn. Alright, that's good. Oh, and I'm not horrible at this minigame. But I think our odds on the greens are okay, so I wouldn't worry too much about what place we got. Is this like the Drifloon game? Like, is this the game where you abduct kids and hope they fall over? Also, I don't know why you can camp in this game. They only come out of the doors. It's 14 to 8 to 6 to 4. No, it definitely isn't worth risking it. I'm just gonna go for one of the greens. I'll see if I have both of them of the same gender, because that would be another 3 points. Yes, they're both guys, so we're gonna go Fritz, and they could trade the purple from us. So, what do we for a good away? Not what we don't keep that. They got green. I would have said it was better to risk it there. There's platinum. Let's hope this one isn't yellow or purple or blue. Oh. It's crazy trading. Yes, alright, they need a blue, I need. It's, in my opinion, it isn't really worth risking it for a platinum, because sure, it's a bit more points, but it isn't really worth it. I'm usually not good at this one, so. Tied last? Man. Yeah, I'm not great at button mashing, especially on Winger mode. My luck. Matt's the one that's one to go as well. They might take purple. Well, red is hardly going to take platinum, yeah. Is it worth taking platinum? No. Because then if I get a trade or a wild, like, I still can't do it, or purple. Could have took that technically, and it would have been better off, because you could have traded if you got one next turn. But no, as it stands, I am going to pass the platinum. I think that's more worth it. Two reds isn't really what I need. It's a luck one, so like that really matters. Okay, great. Okay, I'm in Ux with Matt, so I need to go on whatever side he's on and hope that we kind of lose together, or I can just about beat him. Okay, well, it's usually the opposing one. Oh, but do I feel like the odds are going to be against me today? I think still go with whatever Matt's on. Don't switch last second. I forgot. It's a bit risky, but yeah. Overall 1-1. And as I said, I kind of... Is it worth time with Matt? Matt, can you... No, but then I'll be in 4th. Okay, we've all tied. Like, no matter what, we've all tied. I hope it's lightning. Yeah, because then we all lose. I don't know if I've seen that before. Yeah. So, yeah. Probably would have been better to go there, but, like... Yeah, I think it was safer. And of course. Wow. Don't you know I'm trying? The other two want red here as well. Just gotta hope Matt doesn't get that blue, or else we're knackered. Okay, sweet, not purple. Well, they're probably gonna take the reds, don't know why I wouldn't. Yeah, okay, I expected. It could be yellow. Could be. Never punished. Got last in the minigame. I easily could have got first. Never punished. Right, sweet. Sweet. Yeah, no, this is like... Well, 14 minutes through so far, so I definitely don't think there will be 30 minutes. Yeah, 18, 5 to 5. Could have did 5 sets, to be fair, but now I'll start it off short for the first video back. Okay, swap in the beginnings. Kind of dirty. Do I want it? I think I do want it. Okay, I'm really good at this one. It's lying, I'm not. As you can see, I'm clearly not. Oh my god, I can never win that one. Well, yeah, first one don't really matter, even if it's a trade, it doesn't screw them. Why do you not swap them for the green? I know it gives you a complete set now, it's your color, but like, it would screw them over more in the long run. Alright, well, almost platinum could use that. Okay. Should I do what I said and say it would screw them over in the long run? Or should I? No, I am going to do that. Give me a Rita shirt and then swap off for a yellow. Oh wait, no, I should have swapped off for green. That's alright. Okay, I definitely want the red here, but if I have to take blue, it's fine. But I think I'd rather risk it on one of the mysteries. Okay, I'm not specifically amazing at this one. Music in this one is jazzy as hell now. I will give it that. First one's never too hard. I can usually get the first point. Usually on the second one, I don't even get there then. Well, it's Master CPU. I probably should have exacted that. Could be. I don't like when someone else picks the same as me. Okay, well, two people are wrong. Oh, crap, I actually got it right. Okay, Sakura, don't get this one. It'd be really cool to go 6-0. Not 6-0, that don't make sense. To go 6 forwards, I don't think that'll happen. I never do. Yeah. Oh, everyone else got where I came in last. Because they all got it. Oh my god. I don't mind getting the mystery here at least. I don't actually even know last time I lost a set. I could here, to be fair. Like, I'm not going to say, oh, I never lose a set and then lose a set for the video. But, like, I actually don't remember last time I lost a set. Obviously, they're taking the red. Makes sense. Yeah, if blues was left for... Okay, never mind. Damn. I need to get one to go then. Not really one needed, but it could work. Platinum and red, actually. Okay. Just gotta hope that Matt gets unlucky if he gets a mystery, and we're also gonna hope that I win. This minigame I am kind of hit and miss with, but I think I'm generally okay. But one of my phrases is that there is always time to be proven wrong, so I'll give it a few seconds, see what happens. Ian Hawk, why'd you have to swerve the gifts like that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, I will... Part of me really wants to take the mystery on the rest of Matt gets it, but that's not smart, because I can get one to go on platinum if I just... Yeah, second. Gotta take platinum. I would be stupid not to. At least we're one to go. Can Matt win from this? Can he win overall? Oh, thank God. Yellow, if they leave the red for yellow, they're on one to go. Nope. Okay, they were smart and didn't do that. This could be like a swap though or something. No. Purple. Alright. It's a good thing that wasn't the other way about, or else everyone would be on one to go. Clear isn't what we want. It's not Matt's. The other one isn't Matt's color, to be fair. Oh, this is very similar to the counting one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, if I actually got it there, because I feel like I was panning too quick, but we'll see. Never mind. I was really dead on there. Fair enough. This is not an unfortunate round to get it, but it's kind of sad because I don't have a safe win here. Oh, that's also second. That's just the way it goes, yo. It's the way it goes. And I end with a 27-point finish to, like, I think the highest is what, Matt with 8. And that's only on 3 sets. Well, Leon Hawk, good. What? I clicked 5 sets? I haven't gone on the whole time when it has 3 sets, I'll do 5 sets. Okay. It's alright then. We'll go for a 5 set. And then I can really do what I've been bragging about and do really good. I have fallen off this mini game from my youth though. No, that's not it. I'm absolutely not keeping up with them at all. But again, first one isn't the worst. The first one's the easiest to lose on, because no matter what you get, you can always kind of work around that. Yeah, no point in even trying here. It's not close. Well, it was not the worst, but yeah. They all came in first, though. They all tied. Okay. I swear Matt has got a 6 on every roll-off. Hold me to that. He's barely lost anything. There's a wild. It's kind of nice if you can get his color. I could get blue. I wouldn't mind taking that blue. No. They really don't like picking the mysteries. I thought they were a lot more lenient towards it. If it's a red or... Ooh, nice. I could go for full set of platinum, or I could try and work towards blue, or I could steal from Matt, which is what kind of looks the best. So swap with the green, because that's the colour that people would want. Clear me could kind of make that weird with time. I'll just put the devil. I could take the blue, have a safe 2/2/2, or I could risk it for the mystery. Alright, I'm never good at this one. I wish you'd go last in this one. Oh! This is the best I have done in a really long time. 128? I think master difficulty still get higher than that, but that makes me happy, because I usually get like 70. Like I can weirdly just never time it right. Yeah, it's gonna be me. Not by too much. I find that the average of this like CPUs in this mini game usually are quite different. So we'll see how it goes. Well, Matt. Be nice if you could come on last for me so I can get third, but it's alright. It's alright. I'm 151, like the amount of Pokemon's one behind Matt. Okay, well, I did come last, but as I said, I'm proud. So they're going to take the play as expected. I don't think I'm going to take the Clear Me. Clear Me. There, one to go. I love a version of this where it's all mines. Okay, never mind. There's one to go now. I don't think Clear Me is worth it. I could. screw it. That technically worked in my favor, but didn't progress me too far. I ideally would have wanted a platinum on a purple. There is a purple. There is. I kind of like having two platinums because if you get a wild, you don't get it. Okay. Size doesn't matter, which is why I usually go with the average one. I don't know why it's blue, green, yellow, and purple. It should be red because that's on the 4 colors of the players. I do think this one's really nice looking for this whole city. Not last. We need red to lose. Red's the one with one to go. And of course, what color did they need? I actually haven't checked if they've got this set. Red. No, blue. They could take red. They should have took red. Because then you just need a red to win. Oh no, because then they can swap it. Well, I obviously take purple here. Yeah, I'm always scared of misclicking in this one. It feels really easy to do. I need either swap or a platinum. Oh, that's a really good clear me. The hell? That's the luck my clear me sometimes give me, but not very often. And then yes, stick red. That's what I'm talking about. The rainbow won't get it. If I ever get first, I'd obviously take it so the others can't have it. But, well, yeah, no, I would do that. You don't usually, like, it ain't too common to get platinums and anything. Let's see if I even get first. I'm not horrible at this one, but, like, I'm not joking. I didn't realize mashing 2 was what you needed to do in this minigame. I didn't realize you really needed to like mash it. Second to... Oh, don't tell me I was right again. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay. Oh no, they won. They won. Down there's me saying how I haven't lost a set in forever, and I go and lose a set. I was one to go though, so my points are still alright. But oh, it's alright. It's alright. If I get a solid, if I win this one, I'll be happy. But no, I think last time I did get like 40 something. Oh, it's always too purple. Final set! Oh, Henry's the rainbow. Don't want the blue either. We get seconds, kind of awkward for us. Okay. Alright, you lock in. You stop hitting me. No. Oh, I still won? Wait, what? I could really swear you were there gonna a lot more than me. Okay, sweet. That's a pretty good start, but as I said, it's not. It's not groundbreaking. Also, a question to the non-existent comment section. Do you want to see some card game videos? Because I play, honestly, more like, I think probably more board and card games than I do video games. Video game I play the most is like Pokemon Pocket. I think going with the set of purples probably fine. Don't really want the platinum though. I think it's alright there. Yeah. All man? No, that's a word. Woman, I think. They have 2 platinum, 2 yellow. It's a pretty nice start on. be fair, we're one away from one to go. Okay. Purple isn't what we need. Red is though, but they'll probably take red. Oh my god, I hate this one. This one's like orangey, but it's lying to you. Like it's technically not, but it really is. And also, I will come last. I really don't know the last time I didn't come last in this one. Like, you can't control your movement. Not enough to actually... Yep, there we go, last again. Oh, fuck, yellow came in first too. That's the one person we didn't really want to get first. Red is a safe play. They could risk it for a mystery. No, they went the safe play. Okay, I was going to take the red. Okay, well, screw me then. They're going to take the purple in case they're blue yet. And then... Well, like, we have many options. Luckily, no one's wanting to go though. Should I take the blue over my platinum? Yeah. They also allow platinum, so I don't want them to shield me. Alright, blue is what we want. And if not, we're going to have mysteries. Okay, do this. This one I am not horrible at either, so we'll give a whirl at it. I'm not horrible, I'm completely missing. CPU, do you suck at this one? But to be fair, it's master CPU, so you'd really hope they're good. Could go for the under ones now, because they're all up there. Nope. Yellow, how do you keep stealing this from me? Open! Damn it. The hell? Tide of yellow? Alright, at least give me the roll off. Don't know if you give me one the whole time. The mysteries aren't looking horrible for me. No, I'm gonna have the green left. I'm gonna have green. Are you kidding me? Freaking stupid, dude. Take green. Oh, we wouldn't have had much use for a purple anyways. No one needs red to win. Alright, please, one of that. No? Oh wait, that's not what that is. It's already been taken. Oh my gosh. Dib. Holy crap, they're fast. I didn't really remember them being this fast. Like, Jesus, where's Jackie? Wow. We all got 5. Dude. Yeah, draw. Alright, I'm gonna let them go first. I'm not last, I'm probably third. And I am right. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, because I'm right. Yeah. So, the expected time for a 5-set one is like 45 minutes, which... Fair. Oh! Yellow doesn't have one to go, though. I actually didn't click onto that. Must be a best case scenario. They could get platinum. No, they didn't. They got blue. That's what we wanted. Oh, we do have the red though. If the mysteries are platinum, that sucks. Red, thank God. Okay, we could take that. We would move on. Damn it, I need to risk it. For the yellow this late in the game. Oh, I'm fine. I'm good at this one too. I'm really praying on a mystery this one. I'm saying I'm good. I don't know how good I am against Master. also a big bald head, so it really helps. Yeah, no. Alright guys, left or right, leave a comment, left or right, and if you get it wrong, I'll blame you for the rest of my life and report you. If you chose right, I hate you. It's not even a question now, you wouldn't take that. Well, there's no platinum. Purple. I couldn't have used it anyways. You don't need a yellow, but you'd rather take it than a red? Why wouldn't you? Okay, I guess CPUs aren't that technically advanced. Alright, we're still in it though. We are still in it. Final round? Platinum. Crap. Two of them need platinum. Crap. Oh, either me or red need to win. This is a really weird layout. This is actually intense. I'm still relying on a mystery for the record. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, red's up there too. No, green needs the platinum. Red, if you take the platinum, you're smart. You could either risk it. Oh wait, they all needed platinums. Is that why it was the final round? Because that doesn't make it the final round. I could have just took the platinum. Oh my god, I actually nearly lost. You know, for a first YouTube video, this is embarrassing that I was like saying how good I am at this one, and then I proved to not do good. Well, I did alright. I should have ended at 3 sets. Should have just quit and said that I won. Ian Hawk still won though. Good job, Ian Hawk. Give him a round of applause. Alright guys, I'll give Phil a little outro now. Thank you for watching, even though you probably didn't, because you know, watching these. I hope you enjoyed, and leave a comment, please, saying just literally that you watched the 3 seconds of this video if you wanted. That'd make me smile. You want to see more Wii Party content, comment that too. Go check out my other channels, or don't, I don't care. Alright, peace out.